Create a bright, playful children's song about friendly shapes, having fun together in a sunny world.
Include a catchy chorus
And simple verses. Each shape, circle, square, triangle, should have its own action or movement. Rolling, marching, twirling, keep the melody or break